This is a training video for SIGMA TRANSWAB MRSA Double Swab. In this video we will guide you through the correct usage and best practices for this specimen collection device. Open the SIGMA TRANSWAB peel pouch. Remove the tube. Note: swabs do not require to be moistened. Use red swab to swab along right groin, rubbing from front to back 2 to 3 times. Then swab along left groin, rubbing from front to back 2 to 3 times. Place red swab into tube. Rub and squeeze bud of red swab against the inside of tube. Handle the tube carefully to avoid spilling the liquid. The liquid is required for testing. Remove red swab from tube and discard as clinical waste. Bring white swab to tip of nose, avoiding contact with external skin. Insert swab approximately 2 cm into one nostril. Gently rotate inside nostril for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat process for the other nostril using the same white swab. Place white swab into tube. Carefully bend swab against tube until it breaks. Discard non-swab end. Handle the tube carefully to avoid spilling the liquid. The liquid is required for testing. Tube now contains only the white swab. Firmly screw cap back onto tube.